What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my cousin's squishy collection. She said she didn't really want to be a part of the video. She might pop in sometimes of it. So yeah, let's get started. So this first one I have is this little fox. Well, she has is this little fox squishy. I also have it too. It's really nice. And then we have this little caramel apple, macaroon, churro, ice cream, sugar cube, macaroon, orange, donut, jelly, chicken. I have 3 of those. Another jelly, pepper. I don't know what this is. Cake. Another orange. Face bun. Purple sugar cube. And a heart donut. But this is a giant banana. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that red subscribe button and comment down below what was your favorite squishy in your squishy collection. So see y'all next time. Bye.